Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, January 8th, 2019, marks the completion of our third year on YouTube, and we wanted to recap our accomplishments for the year. On March 19th, we reached our first major milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Then, on November 22nd, we doubled that. We uploaded our 500th video in December. In the last year, we've done a number of live streams which enable us to interact more directly with our viewers. In year 3, we captured 2,368 miles on video over 47 hours and 56 minutes of drive time. We're now publishing videos every 3 days. That is, on dates that are divisible by 3. This seems to be the best schedule that we can easily keep up with, and we get an extra day's break when the month has 31 days in it. When we run bonus material like hotel room tours and anything else, they'll usually come out on a weekend afternoon that doesn't have a regularly scheduled video. And of course, this video, which had to come out on Tuesday, January 8th, our third anniversary. In early January, we completed US Highway 49 from start to finish. Then we drove all of Interstate 22. Over the summer, we drove the entirety of I-59. All of these are currently available for viewing on 504 Road Trips. We filmed about 3/4 of the Blue Ridge Parkway, but ran out of time, so we'll be releasing that series later this year after we get the last part of it filmed. During our travels, we added 13 new hotel room tours in 8 different states. And speaking of states, we added Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia to our catalog, bringing the total to 11 states. Early in the year, we partnered with Roadway Wiz again, first for an interview, and then to bring you a special on the Fred Hartman Bridge in Baytown, Texas. Then on New Year's Eve, we joined him in Nashville for a live-streamed city tour. We've added some more New Orleans neighborhood tours and a new series called Streets of New Orleans, both of which we'll be doing more of in the coming months. We covered US Highway 90 West to Beaumont, Texas, then all of US 90 alternate between Beaumont and Seguin, Texas. Away from home, we did city tours of Houston and San Antonio, Texas, Pensacola, Florida, and Montgomery, Alabama. We also did some coverage of Cruising the Coast 2018 in Biloxi and Gulfport, Mississippi, as well as the brief and underwhelming rise of the Mississippi River back in the springtime. So now to tell you about what we've filmed but you haven't seen yet. Coming up, we have the remainder of US 190 in Louisiana, a short series that's already begun. We'll have I-10 eastbound from San Antonio, Texas to Lafayette, Louisiana. We have a local state highway that runs from Virginia into North Carolina that was interesting enough to include. We have a 250-mile section of I-40 through the mountains between Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and Knoxville, Tennessee. And to continue from where we left off at the northern terminus of I-59. We'll have 350 miles of I-24, I-75, I-40, and I-81 between Chattanooga, Tennessee, and Blacksburg, Virginia. And, of course, our Blue Ridge Parkway series, which not only includes road video, but also some of these stopping points along the way. The last thing we filmed in late December was US Highway 43 from Mobile to Tuscaloosa, Alabama. This is about half the entire highway, and we may try to get the rest of it before we publish those videos. In an attempt to help fund our travels, we opened a Spreadshirt account this year, and we sold almost 6 shirts. Almost? You can't sell almost.
Sure you can. We sold 5. We sold almost 6.
Okay. If you'd like your own 504 Road Trips merchandise, I refuse to say merch. I won't do it. Check it out. We'll be adding new designs periodically. Additionally, we have a Patreon account. If you can spare $1 a month or whatever, anything is greatly appreciated. But the best thing you can do for us is to continue to support us by watching our videos, clicking the thumbs up button, and subscribing to our channel, and sharing the videos with others who may be interested in this type of video. We have a Facebook group and various other social media accounts. Just look for 504 Road Trips with no spaces on whatever social media platform you're on, except for Snapchat, which is weird because you can't start a username with the number, and we don't use it anyway. So that's it for our year 3 in review. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.